The Common Engineering Program, or CEP for short, is a year-long program designed to introduce you to the various engineering disciplines. You will build knowledge of engineering fundamentals and gain first-hand experience through practical projects across the wide range of disciplines.
The I&E Bootcamp is one of our major platforms to involve the Year 1 students to provide them the opportunity to exercise their creativity.
This is a underwater catchment.
This is a solar power airport.
This is a system of water conservation.
There's a portal to send humans to anywhere they want.
There's no more gas or whatever to reduce the pollution.
Wind turbine, renewable energy.
We want to create a new city, yes.
Coming for this workshop broadens my horizon for the engineering knowledge.
To brainstorm as a group to create something extraordinary from the ordinary.
After your first year, you can choose to pursue any one of the diplomas offered at NYP School of Engineering. CEP provides you a single entry point to make a well-informed choice on your preferred field of specialization. CEP allows you to learn more about what engineering encompasses before deciding on the course to pursue. If you are interested in engineering but unsure of which area to specialize in, the Common Engineering Program is for you.
So what are you waiting for? Come join us at NYP School of Engineering, where we think innovation, create possibilities.